How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. Well, on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Pennecamp. I am back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and yes, I am back with a all-new model by the name of the Pennecamp. For those of you that have been loving these last few weeks where I've been showcasing great quality homes at an affordable price point, then here's another one for you. We've come to the drawing boards and added quality with convenience for your price and your pockets. And the Pennecamp is checking all of those boxes. Whether this is going to be an investment property, mother-in-law cottage, granny pod, or even a pool house, this can check all those boxes in addition to a simple primary residence that you live in full-time and can be debt-free. This particular home, as you see it behind me, is 15 feet wide, 26 feet long, and it's on sale today for $67K, $67,000. You'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. So forget going and getting that luxury car, that luxury SUV. You can have a home for the same price or even less today from Mr. Tiny. And starting here on the exterior of the Pennecamp, you'll see that we have a 50-year warranty siding. We're going to have the Summit Gray as your exterior base, but then we've also added 5 rows of the lap siding on one side here to add an accent, and then we've taken the rest all the way up on the opposite side, and that is going to be in reserved white, just to add some contrast because we do have your trim in reserved white as well. Now this home is also featuring a Gavaloon metal roof with a 30-year warranty on top of that. Now this home does not have a porch because guess why? We're getting the price point down, and this gives you the option to add any porch, custom steps, or ramp that you want to do after purchase. You can do what you like. Mr. Tiny don't care. I'm just wanting to save the home and make your dreams come true. You'll notice with the curb appeal, this has the raised side walls there, boosting and boasting those transom windows as well as plenty of natural light. So that way you have some character even not having the porch on the home. But let's talk about the outside. We've done that already. Let's take it inside so I can show you with 399 square feet how you can look so sweet. And again, today it's around 102 degrees here in Texas. So Mr. Tiny sweating, please disregard. I'm trying to bring you some quality content. So as we come inside, you'll see right here, oh yeah, it feels a little bit better in here. Thank you, Lord. But with that said, inside of the Pennecamp, as soon as you enter, this home is going to have everything you need within moderation. You're not going to have a ton of bells and whistles in this home, but why would you need those? In the Pennecamp, as soon as you walk in, because it is 15 feet of interior living space, you'll see right here in the living area, you have enough area that you can put a small couch like we've done so today, but look how much additional space you have that you can do a full-size couch. You can do a couple recliners. The options are yours. Also, get a good look on this front interior wall where on the outside you saw how great it looked. From the inside, you see that we have these 2 large windows down low. They are opening windows, so you can open them up and ventilate. You also have the 3 transoms up top, bringing in that natural light. Also, look at the side wall height here in the living room. You'll see that over here you're going to have right around 9 to 10 foot sidewalls in this model. So that way it opens this up perfectly for you and your guest. We also have a ceiling fan that's going to be centered there with black blades. What I love is that, yes, you have the open area here, but right across from where your front door is going to be located, right next to that, you have an area here that I feel is suitable for your TV of choice. You can put that right there. You can easily put a TV console below You can mount it on the wall, whatever you like, you have the convenience to do so. And again, with that side entry, when you come in, it opens up this floor plan, and part of the feeling of opening it up is the flow from the living area into the kitchen. You're going to have a galley style kitchen in this model, so that way you can choose to basically position things as you wish. You can choose to add an island of your choice. What I would do is put a small table or bistro right over here in the corner next to these two windows so you can gaze out onto your property. But look how much cabinetry you have. The cabinets throughout this model are going to be the Ozark shadow cabinets, more of a gray tone to complement the Serrania countertop, as well as the Logic gray backsplash going from the countertop up to the bottom of the cabinet. All of your cabinets are going to be plenty of storage space for you with hidden hinges. You have all that there. And then, of course, you're going to have the soft close. Yes, Mr. Tiny is even giving you soft close. Some of those quality perks that you see in the higher end homes, you're even getting that at this great and amazing price point. You can see here we have these two basins, stainless steel sink. I did give you a detachable sprayer on here as well, so that's a great option. The appliances in here are all going to be full size. You have the smooth top oven there. You have the microwave and the side-by-side fridge with ice in the door, all in black. Notice the flooring throughout the model is going to be Stratford flooring. You do not have any carpet in this model, so it's ease of cleanliness. It also has a neutral tone to it, so blends with any decor that you'd like to add. I even am throwing in the stackable wash machine and dryer in this model. Again, tons of models I showcase. We just prep for the space. I'm giving you this washer and dryer top load included in that $67K. Mr. Tiny trying to bless y'all, pass on the blessings so that way we can continue to produce and service all of my clients across the country. We also have a pocket door here leading from this area into the bathroom. And as we come into the bathroom, you'll see here, you have tons of countertop space in your bathroom with that continuation of the Serrania countertop. We have your linen cabinet right there on top of the countertop. So it's still giving you, because we've offset it back a little bit, you still have plenty of space up here for any of your belongings, ladies, whether it's curling irons, straighteners, whatever you want, gentlemen, it's your razors, whatever you need. You have space right there for it. And we've continued that around here, even over your toilet. Next, you'll see that we have the shower that in this model is going to be the one-piece fiberglass. What's great about that is its easiness to clean. You just get a magic eraser, get a whatever you have, spray something in there, wipe it off, you're good to go. You don't have to worry about cleaning in between the grout of the tile. So that gives you an option there. You also have a small transom there up above, bringing in the natural light. Got your full pane glass door there. And then, of course, we've added in the additional pocket door leading from the bathroom into the bedroom. And in this bedroom, what makes this layout so popular is the fact of it being 15 feet in width. Yes, it can accommodate a king-size bed. I have so many clients come in, travel in, fly in from all across the country, and they say, Mr. Tiny, I love your tiny homes, but I cannot give up my bed. I have a king-size bed, and I have to have that in my tiny. Well, right here, I've taken care of that for you in the Pennecamp. I've included 2 clear story windows there, bringing in the natural light. You also have another ceiling fan center with the black blades. You're going to have 2 barn doors right there for your convenience. We have the 4-drawer dresser there center. We have the open space up above. You can put a small TV up above that if you like. Again, with the barn doors, they slide open and they do not swing out into your bedroom, which works great for your furniture placement. Just because I feel, again, you can do what you like, but I feel like this would be the best wall, in my opinion, to place the bed facing this way. Right across from that, I've already included at 5 foot high or around 5 foot high TV jacks there for you, so you can go ahead and mount your TV accordingly. You do have another mini split AC and heat system, all controlled by remote here in the bedroom. You also have one in the main area as well, so you can exceed and cool, heat, whatever you need, no matter the climates with those as well. And guys, just plenty of space here in this bedroom, and then we'll take it right back out into the main area and see how much space you have. Look, when you go back out This is an awesome floor plan. I'm telling you guys, for $67,000, you cannot beat this right now. I'm telling you, Mr. Tiny is bringing that heat, literally, as you see me perspirating right here on camera. So with that said, guys, whether you, again, are using this as a primary residence, you need to downsize, you want a weekend getaway, and you need something to put out on the lake that is quality, or at your hunting lodge, whatever it is, or just on some land that you want to go out and enjoy, ride some side-by-sides, four-wheelers, all the good old things, this is an affordable route that you can do. So also for my investors, you want to make you some investment income, this is the way to get into the market today. Also, for any of you that have an elder parent, or you want to have someone, your child, move in on the property. You know, rent is ridiculous right now all across America. So rather than throwing their money down the drain renting something, they can place one of these on your property, and at $67,000, they can own this in no time and start their life off with 1 foot forward ahead of the game. So Mr. Tiny is where you saw it here first with the Pennecamp. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up today, right now, and let me know that you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed this content. And also write down to the comments and let me know, do you love it when Mr. Tiny goes outrageous and adds all the bells and whistles, the crazy additions to the tiny homes? Or do you like it when I simplify it and keep things more cost conscious and friendly? You let me know. No matter what, I'm going to provide both, but I want to make sure I'm servicing everyone that watches this channel. And again, this home is 15 foot wide, 26 foot long, and it's on sale today for $67K. If you're subscribed like you should be, you know what that today means. If you're not subscribed right now, then hit that subscribe button so you can become part of the family. And if you're interested in taking advantage of this Pennecamp deal, you know what to do. Run on over to Instagram right now at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Pennecamp as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.